Ready?
Ready. Our Master Finance program aims to train the future generation of financial professionals. Specifically at RIT, we emphasize integrate technology and analytics into finance discipline because nowadays, entire finance industry has become more and more data-driven, analytics-based. We try to prepare our students be ready for today's financial market. We offer a very flexible curriculum. Students will be required to take 1 accounting courses, 3 required finance courses, and 3 finance elective, and 3 STEM elective courses. So among these courses, there are some very interesting courses. As an example, I really like the algorithm trading course. So in that class, we essentially use the trading as a setting. The instructor will teach students how to use Python to obtain the data, analyze data, and automatically make a trading through the platform. So in addition to that, we have some other very interesting courses like financial analytics courses, prepare students how to make financial decision making based on data, based on analytics results. In terms of STEM elective, students not only allowed to take finance STEM elective courses, students can also take the MGIS courses and business analytics courses. Even students can take courses outside of a Saunders College. In the analytic courses, first student will learn how to obtain the data, how to clean the data. That's very important. Second, we need to teach students how to build up the model first, because underlying the code, essentially, they are financial models. We need to help students understand the model first, and then teach students how to apply the model in the coding. Third, after students generate results, we usually ask students try to show the results by using visualization technology, because a good picture was 1,000 words. When they finish their analysis, we always ask students to write a good report to try to communicate their findings or their conclusions to the audience. At RIT, we really emphasize teamwork. Almost all the projects are team-based. We really not only train them communication skills, we also need to make sure they become a team player. In our program, we not only train students to become financial professionals who are good at financial analysis, we also try to prepare them to become more well-rounded professionals. We try to prepare students for different career paths based on their goals. Some students are interested in corporate finance job. That means after graduation, they try to join a big company and work in their finance department. For example, some of our students join in a Paycheck, join in a Constellation brand. They are a prestigious company, right? On the other hand, some students are interested working in the investment side of the finance industry. So some students join in the Goldman Sachs, Citibank, and AIG. So this student also usually take more analytics courses to prepare their future job responsibilities. Study is not only about you learn some terminology, certain calculation procedure. That's just one part. The other part is students need to understand why we have this kind of questions, how we can summarize this question, how we can approach this question using creative way. That actually can lead to some kind of applications, that can lead to some kind of good results. That's what we try to teach students, and we believe that equations might become outdated, code might become outdated, but this kind of thinking, critical thinking or analysis ability will carry for long term, benefit them in the long run.